animals. Black and white.
I flip and flutter from flower to flower in search of sweet nectar.
Although my wings look like tissue paper,
They
are strong enough to fly miles and miles. What am I?
The swallowtail butterfly.
I swim on the glassy surface of a lake. I dive into the deep, dark waterfall. I have a sad, lonely call.
What am I?
The loon!
My large fins and flippers make me look like a huge fish as I surge through the water. But I'm a mammal just like you.
What am I? Orca! I live in the Misty Mountains,
Far, far to the east.
I love to chew bamboo. What am I? The panda! I am a bird. I fly gracefully beneath the cold blue waters of the ocean.
When I'm on land.
I waddle like a very clumsy duck.
What am I? The penguin.
Wander through the woods at night.
My white striped tail sweeps the ground. Not me trouble.
I lift my tail like a warning flag.
What am I?
A skunk. I gallop gracefully
On the grassy plains of Africa.
The lion is my worst enemy.
What am I?
A zebra. The end.